Dear students, I am Srija teacher. Today I am going to take the class of computer network. In this particular session, I'm going to deal with introduction, evolution of network, advantage, disadvantage and switching techniques. Computer networking, which means a collection of hardware components and computers interconnected by communication channels that allow sharing of resources and information, where at least one process in one device is able to send a data which is residing in a remote device. Then the two devices are said to be in a network. A network can be formed by connecting minimum of two systems. Likewise, we can connect millions of computers together to form a internet. What are the needs, uses or applications of a network? The first one is resource sharing, second one is communication and third one is remote login. Resource sharing deals with we can share the resources like data, softwares and hardwares. The data deals with text, image, audio or video. The peripherals deals with printer, scanner, camera. And the softwares we can share like MS Office, games, programming protocols that are coming under resource sharing. Communication. That means nowadays we are all doing chatting, audio conferencing, video conferencing and emailing through internet. The third one is remote login, which means the system is available to a remote user. For that, we can use TeamViewer, AMI, AnyDesk like softwares. Now, the disadvantages of a network. If a network is badly managed, then it becomes unusable. If the software and the files head centrally, then if any central server fails, it is impossible to carry out any work. Third one is file security. For that, we need to install antivirus softwares. Also, a network can be administered by a skilled person. These four are very complex. That is why the networks are held in a secured way. Coming to the evolution of network. The first network is ARPANET. It is developed in 1969 by US Defense Department for connecting 4 universities via a telephone link. The next one is developed in mid of 80s, that is NSFNet. These two, that is ARPANET and NSFNet, is collaborated with some private networks. Then Internet is developed in 1990s. That is Internet is the internetworking of ARPANET as well as National Science Foundation Net with some other private networks. Internet is a global computer network which facilitates communication via a standard protocols. It is also termed to be network of networks and popularly known as net. What is intranet? It is a private network created for using World Wide Web softwares and which is managed by a person or an organization. Intranet can avail the service of Internet, whereas Internet cannot access intranet directly. What is Interspace? It is a software program that allows the users to communicate online. That is audio, video conferencing in a 3D environment. For example, Skype, Google Duo, etc.